Hi!
Ms. Huskins and Mr. Quinn held their heads up high in the face of public shame and humiliation.
I had this overwhelming sense of relief. And to push
Guys, magtanong kayo. Hi, Ninji! Good morning. Kalagaling ko lang sa ano. Kalagaling ko lang sa TikTok na live. Sabi ko dito na lang muna ako sa Facebook mag-live ng bahagyang bahagya.
entire time in captivity, I was a body to him behind these goggles. I never saw him, and he never saw me. And I knew that standing up there was going to turn to him and make him see me. And I stared right at him, and I said his name. Without you, Mother. Now we meet face to face, eye to eye.
Yung next ko, yung season 2 is actually bootcamp na. So, 2 days siya.
Took myself back that day. The end of 2017, we had the Mr. Cruz who would like to talk to us. We walk in, and I see her. She looks exactly the same as she did on other nights. And I tell her how all I wanted was
Hi! Hello, 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 hello. Date, March ang target date. Hindi pa namin alam, pati location. Pero Quezon yun, be. Yung season 2 ay Quezon, CDO, Baguio ang target. Hi Mona! Hi Ladi! Hi Mariel! Daming tuning in while doing admin task. Laban Pilipinas. Oh yes! Same.
We got married. We moved to the coast and started a new life. In March 2020, I gave birth to
Another little girl, Naomi. So, it feels like our family's complete.
Yung dalak yung ko. Uy, alam mo, nag-aakitan silang Puerto Galera ng February. Hindi ko sure. Minji, chika ko sa inyo pag pupunta ko ng Puerto Galera para makapagkakape tayo doon. Tuturo mo sa akin kung saan masarap ang kape. Para nagugutom ako. Parang kailangan kong kumain. Masyado pa namang maaga pag mag-schedule na ako para dun sa client. Pero, pending task. Ay, mag-comment kayo kung may questions kayo about working from home, ha? Oh, Ben. What? Paano nga ba mag-invite dito? Paano? Ayan. Di ba nakita na natin kung paano? Bakit wala sa iPad nang mag-add ng Sa phone meron eh. Ba't yan? Ba't wala, diba? Wala, Bia. Hindi ko kayo maindali, ha? Wala sa iPad. Wala, Bia. Sa cellphone meron eh. iPad ang gamit ko ngayon. So, ito yun. Pag nakaisip ako mag-create ng content. I am just so happy. Nagmimilagro na naman ng TikTok. It's again giving. May ginawa na naman akong tama na hindi ko na naman alam kung ano. Wait, ang dami talaga. Wait, ang dami. Hold on tight. Saan ka bukas, Ben? Ano meron? Dala, ang dami kong ano. Ah, si Ali naka-live sa TikTok, oh. Mga side hustles na pwede nyo gawin. Freelancer. Non-voice, mostly data management for data and wala. Non-voice, mostly data management for data entry. Hindi na kailangan ng ganun karaming experience. Non-voice, mostly data management for data entry. Yun. Dropshipping, either as pang sariling business or dropshipping, either as pang sariling business or yan. Okay, wait. Close. That's done. Done. Ano na pinag-usapan natin? Dali. Like, tabako pati dito, girl. Ano meron bukas, Ben? Pala. Bakit maagap ka? Ay, morning person ka. Sana all. Mami Ladi, oh. Oo, sabi ni Mami Ladi, I'm beginning to question my life choices right now. I'm beginning to hate all of you. Lakas baka Ana Delvin nung ano mo, Mami. Just need to reflect. The canyoneering is not giving. I will definitely try again. Teka. Ito na, tinitingnan ko na yung message mo. Ay, bakit wala pa? Ah, ayan. Ay, oh. Gusto ko yung part na ano, right place, right time ka dun, B. Dami kong painting, okay. Fix Google Classroom, done. I need to create. Ito. 126. Bakit wala? Wala naman. Ano ba ito? January to ah. Bakit wala? Oh, okay. Isang 8. Ay, hindi. 25. Interesting. 23. Nakausap ko na naman yung sarili ko. Hey, Jeka! Si Jeka ang chika namin nagsimula sa TikTok. Nasave ko na, Jeka. Gagawa ko ng video mamaya yung sa'yo. Pero may hinahanap lang ako. Bakit gano'n? 123. So... 123 last. Natulog ang Discord. Nasa ng chismis lang. Ang dami ko namimiss na na questions. Hindi ko muna titignan. Quit. Hindi ako makafocus. Kailangan ko magbawas ng tabs. It's a good start for my very much so. Oo nga, alam mo, hindi ko na alam kung ano. Pero sa everyday, may task ako na mag-search ng bagong possible client, ganyan. Pero hindi ko magawa because baka hindi na ako talaga. Hindi na ako magka-80. Publish ta. Okay. Ano man? You is kind, you is smart, you is beautiful. Manifesting tayo this year. Ano sinasabi? Teka, wait. It's my ADHD. It's not fully functioning. Hoy, yung iba, baka may question kayo about working from home. Magtanong lang kayo dyan, ha? May hinahanap ako. Hindi ko makita, girl. Teka. Wait lang. Just because I'm having problems connecting. Oo. Iniisip ko pa yung pala, thanks for reminding me. Iniisip ko if maghahanap pa ako ng bagong client. Kaya lang I am booked, I am blessed, and I am busy. Hindi ko ma-sure if kakayanin pa. Parang ayokong ngayon, overbook na ako technically, although kaya pa namang ipasa. Pero, medyo nag-iisip na ako if alam mo yun, parang what I'm doing kasi right now is I'm saying more no's, no, as in no, than yes. Hi Marisol! So, because of that, I am thinking about if magkuha pa ba ako ng bagong client, or alam mo yun. Nanonood ako ng Survival of the Thickest.
Just breathe, beautiful. Give me a breath. My feelings. That was a good round. Nice sleep. Not too much of a Ready to see Strickland? I get the list of all the cornermen and what champion.
Ay, mag-post kayo ng question na saya-saya, dami mo client. Pahinga din pag may time. Marisol, actually, hindi madami sakto lang, sapat lang. Guys, magtanong lang kayo dyan, ha? What if ipasa mo kay Tinda? Ako isa pa naman yung hindi na makausap sa lahat talaga, girl. Wait lang guys, sorry, may ginagawa lang ako for my client. I don't do business with family and friends. Question is, wait, Seymour. Sandali. Ano yung Seymour? Hindi ko maklik yung Seymour. Oh my God, sorry. Hold on. Let me go to Facebook. Paano ako makakasali sa internship? RG, the best way to do this would be, after watching yung, I would recommend umattend ka ng live always kasi mas marami kang pwedeng tanungin kapag naka-live. Ngayon, kung manonood ka lang ng recordings tapos gusto mo mag-join ng internship, kailangan mong i-check yung pinakang calendar invite nung class na yon. Makikita mo doon merong link for their Google Classroom. Sa Google Classroom, doon mo makikita lahat ng tasks for internship. Pero, best if masasabayan mo pa din. Pwede bang balik rin to? Curious lang ako. Balik rin natin. You can't? Okay. Hindi daw pala pwede. Akala ko pwede. Hindi. Ano na? Ayan na. Siyempre, nagalaw ko na siya. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung ginagawa ko. Siyempre, baliktad bakla. Asya ako sa part na yon. Hindi pala siya pwedeng baliktarin. I did my best. My best wasn't good enough. So, yan. Yan na yun. Ay, pangit. Hindi kita yung mukha. Siyempre, tagilid. Tapos, okay. This is it. This is the sign na kailangan ko na mag-end ng live because nagloko na. Later na lang ulit ako babalik ha. Bye.